Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A13 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on the Samsung. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Apps section over here. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner and over here select Permission Manager. After that you need to pick one of your device's features, like location, and select one of your apps, for example Maps. Then pick one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow all the time, so I have to click on this option over here and tap on the back button. Now when I swipe up, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can also click on one of your apps and this time select See All Maps Permissions at the bottom. Now manage all of them only for this app, in my case Maps, from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!